Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 300 LXF. Starting off with the profile of the boat, this is the full hull midnight blue color. We've got a stainless steel insert within the white rub rail that's standard. Very distinct profile, big bow flare, rake in the aft end. Coming around towards the transom, we've got a full walk across at the transom, so I can easily get from one side of the boat to the other. This boat is powered by twin 300 Yamahas with custom white paint on the cowlings. We open up the cockpit door. We do have a 3-step boarding ladder that's recessed into the swim platform. You can shut off the door entering the cockpit. I've got a double wide stern seat. It's also close enough to the leaning post so I can grab onto this stainless steel grab rail for safety. When that seat stows away, I've got a nice bolster on the aft end. Got 360 degrees of bolsters throughout the entire boat. We've got undergunnel rod storage on both sides, raw water and fresh water on the starboard side and port side. Fender pros, quick disconnects for our fenders. We've got fish boxes on both the starboard side and the port side, and a large access for our bilge area. Everything nice and finished out, easy to keep clean. Everything's plug and play. Here we've got a large live well, rod holders and cup holders. Slide out Yeti cooler, 65 Yeti. Slides out very easily. Here at the helm, we've got 2 bolsters that work independently of each other, so the driver can lean while the passenger sits. Armrests do fold up and down. This is the Grigio Ultra Vinyl interior, upgraded interior. We have 2 12-inch Garmins at the helm. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, digital start and stops, steering knob on the steering wheel. Of course, digital throttle and shift with the Yamahas. Digital switching, so all of our switching is done through the Garmins with some redundant switching up here. This has the JL audio upgrade. We've got upgraded JL audio speakers, 4 in the hardtop total. We have storage beneath the hardtop for life jackets, 5 rocket launchers along the back, and this is all LED lit, so this boat illuminates really nicely at night. Battery charger is standard, and down here inside the head, we actually have an air-conditioned berth. So we've got our head, freshwater sink, vanity mirror with storage behind it, and then the berth area. The berth area folds up for battery storage, but this whole area is air-conditioned through an inverter system. Making our way up to the bow, got a large chase lounge with armrests on both sides. Plenty of seating for 2 adults. Very comfortable seating. And then beneath the chase, we've got storage. We also have engine covers for this boat. And then here, additional bow seating. These backrests do slide right out and can easily stow away. We've got finished out storage lids on both sides. Storage down here in the foredeck can serve as a fish box or a cooler. All these cushions do come right out. More JL audio speakers. Again, lots of lounge space, so very comfortable. We've got rod holder, cup holder combos up front, so this boat can accommodate a bow sunshade kit. And lastly, we have an anchor windlass with foot controls up here at the bow in addition to the controls you have at the dash. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Give us a call, 843-747-1889 if you have any questions about the Scout 300 LXF or any of our other boats. Thanks again, and thanks for watching.